Earn free money online with BeeGoBox. Looking for a simple and free way to start earning money online without any complicated skills or investment? BeeGoBox is a platform designed for that purpose, allowing anyone from anywhere in the world to earn rewards by completing easy online tasks in just a few minutes each day. Whether you are a student, a beginner in online earning, or someone looking to make extra pocket money during your free time, BeeGoBox offers multiple opportunities to start earning in a simple and straightforward way. You can work at your own pace from your computer or mobile device, making it an accessible option for almost everyone who wants to earn extra rewards online. Getting started is quick and easy. Register using your email address, then verify your email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, log into your dashboard and begin exploring the available earning opportunities. There is no complicated setup, no hidden requirements, and no technical knowledge needed. Everything is designed to be easy to understand, so even complete beginners can start earning without spending hours learning how the platform works. Within just a few minutes, you can begin completing tasks and collecting rewards. One of the most popular features on BeeGoBox is the Faucet system, where you can claim free rewards every 5 minutes. This allows you to earn small amounts throughout the day by visiting the platform regularly. The more consistent you are, the more rewards you can collect over time. You can also use the wheel spin feature every 30 minutes for up to 3 spins, giving you the chance to win different rewards and bonuses while making the experience more enjoyable. This feature adds excitement because every spin gives you another opportunity to increase your earnings. BeeGoBox also includes PTC Ads that pay you for viewing advertisements. This is one of the easiest ways to earn because it only takes a short amount of time. You can also complete short links to receive additional rewards. These tasks are simple and help you build your earnings over time. The platform regularly adds new earning opportunities, giving you even more ways to increase your balance. By checking your dashboard frequently, you can discover new tasks and maximize your daily earning potential. Another great benefit of BeeGoBox is that you can complete tasks whenever it is convenient for you. There are no fixed working hours and no pressure to meet daily goals. You decide how much time you want to spend each day. Even a few minutes of activity can help you slowly build your rewards, making it a flexible option for people with busy schedules. As you continue using the platform, you can develop a routine by claiming Faucet rewards, completing PTC ads, spinning the reward wheel, and finishing available short links on a regular basis. Consistency is one of the best ways to increase your earnings over time and make the most of everything BeeGoBox has to offer. If you are ready to begin your online earning journey, join BeeGoBox using the referral link provided in the description. Signing up through this link helps you get started quickly and ensures you stay updated with the latest bonuses, promotions, and earning opportunities. It is a simple way to begin exploring everything the platform has available. If you enjoy using BeeGoBox and want to learn more ways to earn money online, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Following along will help you discover more platform strategies and useful tips that can help you increase your online income over time. Thank you for reading and good luck with your earning journey. This video is provided for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial investment or legal advice. Cryptocurrency, cloud mining, airdrops, and online earning platforms involve risks, and there is no guarantee of profits, rewards, or successful withdrawals. Always conduct your own research before registering, connecting a wallet, or investing money. Some links above are referral links which may support the channel at no additional cost to you if you choose to use them. The creator of this video is not responsible for any financial losses, platform changes, or decisions made based on this content.